you're looking for some natural bath bomb for kids, these are fantastic. Check out that QR code right there. Also, at the end of the video, there'll be a listing and at the down below the description. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review on these bath bombs that I received. And I did purchase these on my own. These are really cool bath bombs. These are for kids. And my granddaughter absolutely loves bath bombs. So I wanted to do a review. I did buy these myself. This is a 20 pack, comes with a little bathtub, comes with little toys. What's cool about these bath bombs, just to give you some information, made from sea salt and organic ingredients. Want to buy organic bath bombs, especially crafted, made for bath time, fun time, relaxing, cleaning, removing odor, yada yada, all that stuff. Ingredients are very good ingredients, not bad at all. Cornstarch, a little citric acid, sodium, things like that. Shea butter, a little bit of scent, not terrible, just a really nice quality and keeping a cool, dry place. That's what it says on the bath bomb. So this is how it comes in a box. This is a 20 pack. I believe there are different configurations for this, just to be clear. And this is just one of them. Now I want to show you what they look like. Now, how fun is that? What kid is not going to love a confetti full of all these really cool and fun colors of bath bombs? Now, they're not the big ones in the store. These are the small ones, which I actually kind of like that better personally. Sometimes the big ones are just too much for the kids and they just get too big. I wanted to give you a close-up of what they look like. You can see how cool they are. They're all individually shrink wrapped and ready to go. All the different colors, they all have nice little scents to them. Really nice. And it's not overpowering and not perfumey at all, which I really like. I hate those overpowering and perfume scented ones. Now, it does come with a little doghouse, which is really cute. These are some little toys that does come with this. And my daughter loves the surprises in some of these bath bombs. It's hard to find bath bomb with surprises inside them. They are out there. This one does not. But also, this does have the little toys that come with it, little accessories. And that's really what caught my eye. Let me open this up and just show you what's in here. A little bathtub with little critters inside. Looks like a little cat, little dogs in here, I believe. Look at that. Little accessories, little brushes. How cute is that? All the little stuff in this little bath bomb. Here's a bunch of little accessories, combs. All this stuff is inside here in this bathtub. So what's cool about that, you get all these toys to play with, and you got the bathtub, and you have the bath bombs. I think that's awesome. I love that. Check out this hanger. A really cute hanger. Combs. I mean, just check out all this stuff that's in this bath bomb kit. I definitely got to recommend this because I like it. I like I get this. This is definitely for, I'm not sure the age restriction. It's got to be 3+ because it got small parts, maybe even 5+. I'm not sure. Check the listing and make sure. But all these little adorable critters are in here. There's a little dog. Look how cute the little dog is, a little face. You get a shot. Look at his little face. That's cute. I love that. Now, the bath bombs fit in the little bathtub. Let me see. Let me put this to the side. Put this all to the side. Let's check this out. And again, so all the critters must go into the house. Obviously, it makes a lot of sense. The little critters go in the house. But the little bath bombs might even go in the bathtub. Let me see. How cool is that? Yes, they do fit in the bathtub. So look at that. You can put 2 of those in there. Looks like you can attach some things to this bathtub. You know, looks like it has a little snap thing here. You can snap something to it. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at this. How cute that is. The little shower head. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. That is adorable. I love that. So, yep, they got to fit in here. You're going to put this in the side of the bathtub. The kids are going to have a lot of fun with this. You can play with this with the toys. Everything's all in this kit. I absolutely highly recommend this. Definitely the way to go. If you're enjoying this type of content on this channel, on your review channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We do all types of unboxings, reviews, how-to, technical, a little bit of everything to give you a little bit of knowledge about everything, and that's what we do on the channel. So that's what we have. The bath bomb, definitely got to recommend these. I'm going to give these definitely a 5 out of 5. They're fun, they're fantastic, and the little houses and the little toys, the kids are absolutely going to enjoy. Hey, appreciate you watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to follow for more. Have a great day, and keep on bath bombing. I guess that's what you say, right? Keep on bath bombing? No, keep clean. How's that? Here we go. There's my new tagline. Keep clean. Thanks for watching.